Hey, what's up guys? I want to make a video today sharing with you a niche that I found that is starting to trend. But before I share with you that niche, I just want to share with you my 2 print-on-demand courses that I'm selling on Gumroad. So the first one that I have for you is a Merch by Amazon Masterclass. It's a step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering Merch by Amazon. It's only $39.99. You get 16 lessons and it's over an hour of content. I teach you a lot of good stuff in this course about how to cross niche downscale your designs, how to find trendy niches, how to find evergreen niches, how to keep your account safe, how to check for trademarks, how to design styles, how to hire designers, where to find designs or graphics. So if you're interested, take a look at it. This course is good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. I also have one for Redbubble as well. It's also a step-by-step guide for mastering Redbubble. Only $39.99. This one you get 20 lessons and it's also over an hour of content. Also good for people that are beginners on Redbubble and for people that are struggling to get sales on Redbubble. If we take a look at my credentials on Merch by Amazon, I'm a tier 8,000 seller. I've done over 11,000 sales and I made over $37,000 in royalties on the Merch by Amazon platform. And if we go to my Redbubble dashboard, we will see that over the past 12 months, I've done over $2,000 with my best month being in June of 2022, where I did $317. So if you're interested in these courses, the links will be in the description, and I'll also have them as a pinned comment. Now let's get into the content of this video. So you guys all probably already know, but January is kind of a slow time. So, there hasn't been that many trendy niches. I remember when I first started this channel about half a year ago, there was niches every day that I could find. So I was putting out videos pretty much on a daily basis because there was just so much content for me to make videos on. Right now it's a little slower. That's normal. That's just the time of year. But as we get into the end of this month, next month, things are going to start to pick up. But the niche that I have for you today I actually found on Redbubble, and it's active shooter basketball. This is for people that play basketball, that like to shoot, basketball lovers, three-point shooters. And you're going to see this is what the designs look like. Very easy to design for. It's basically just a silhouette of someone shooting a basketball, and then you have the text active shooter. And if we look at these designs, we're going to see, well, first let's take a look at the competition. Only 175 results, so low in competition. And if we look at when these designs were recently uploaded, like these 2 hoodies, we're going to see that they were just uploaded in December 2nd, 2022, so about a month and a half ago. They're already selling. Like this one has a pretty good BSR, 414. And if we find one that's a t-shirt, this one right here, we're going to see it was uploaded also on December 2nd, and it has an 865,000 BSR. So this is what the designs look like and the BSRs. If we go to test to see if this phrase is trademark, we're going to see that active shooter basketball. We hit enter, nothing's going to pop up. And if we look at the competition on some of the other platforms, we're going to see that, we're going to see that on Etsy for the phrase active shooter basketball shirt, there's only 843 results. And a lot of them, let me just turn that off. And a lot of them, I think there's only one that actually has the phrase active shooter. And this one, I don't even think that's really that good because it should be someone shooting the basketball, not dunking it. Kind of like this is probably a better example right here. If we go to Redbubble, we're going to see that it's trending because it has a little arrow ticking up. That's one of the things I teach you in my courses in Redbubble. That this is how you can find trending niches in Redbubble. You just basically can just go like this and just type in like letters of the alphabet, and you will see these little arrows. And when they're trending up like that, that means that all of these are trending on Redbubble. And then we'll see that there's only 1,600 results, and this is what some of the designs look like. A lot of stickers are selling, it looks like, for the most part. And if we go to TeePublic, it doesn't show us how many results there are, but we're going to see not that much competition. Again, it shouldn't be someone dribbling, it should be someone shooting, kind of like this one right here. But yeah, so that's basically going to be the niche for today. Again, not that much going on trending niches. I notice like the main thing that's trending right now is basically NFL playoff shirts. And, I'd recommend obviously you stay away from that type of stuff. Just not worth it. I made a video like a few weeks ago about how to stay away from that Damar Hamlin, niche where that everybody was uploading on and getting lots of sales. If you look now, all of those have been taken down. So, just good rule to stay away from anything that has to do with professional sports, NBA, MLB, NFL, stuff like that. But if you like this kind of content, you might want to consider subscribing to my channel. I put out videos on a daily basis talking about trending niches, design ideas to hopefully get you some sales on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you're looking for more ideas, more design ideas, you can take a look at my this playlist, this first playlist that I have right here. We got some good ones. I think this is a pretty good one, especially about the lunar eclipse. Eclipses that are coming up. If you were on merch back in 2017, you're just going to remember how big of a niche that was. But Spring Break 2023, not too many people know about that one. There's also, obviously Valentine's Day and Black History Month coming up. So I got some other videos right here as well, right here. So if you're interested, take a look at those. And again, if you're struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon, or you're new to merch or to Redbubble, and you're looking for some guidance, you might want to consider taking a look at one of my courses. It's going to be a good starting point to start getting you some sales on Merch by Amazon or Redbubble. All right, so that's going to be the video for today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.